Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is a girl, Nona Obi, and today is Uncut with Nona Obi, where we dissect controversial issues on internet and we come here and talk about it. I know this video is long and awaiting, and I was just not right in the right frame of mind to do this video because I was pained. It was a video that was kind of emotional to me, and I was waiting to heal emotionally before I can come here and talk about this video. Okay, this is what we already know already. Our popular Nigerian artist Mohbad, singer Ileloruwa Oladimeji, popularly known as Mohbad. Of course, he died at the age of 27 years on Tuesday. May so rest in peace. And here are the things to know about him. Mohbad was born in Lagos on June 8, 1996. He was a Nigerian rapper, singer, and songwriter from Lagos. He completed his primary and secondary education in Lagos. He was considered one of the rising stars in Nigerian music industry as his fan base continued to grow. Yes, we know about it. He was formally signed to Marlians record, but left the label in 2022. He released his debut album, Light EP, in the fourth quarter of 2020 as a follow-up to his viral song Momo, which featured Naira Marley and Lekesh. He was best known for his hit singles Momo, Feel Good, Ko Momo Care with Rexy, which was nominated 3 times for the Hubbies Award 2020. Mohbad had collaborated with several artists including Davido, Zlante, and others. Mohbad was known for a streetwise, relatable lyrics that often touch on everyday life and experiences. Bella Shumada, I don't know how to pronounce his name, once said he was battling with mental health. Okay, this is about the Mohbad thing, and of course the Naira Marley album that he was signed into. Just a little bit rundown about who Naira Marley is for those who don't know him. Naira Marley is an indigenous rapper, entertainer, recording artist, and stage performer from Lagos. No, from Nigeria, obviously. His full name is Azeez Adesina Fashola. His nickname is Naira Marley. He's a male. He was born in 10th May 1991. He's 31 years. Okay, his place of birth, he was born in Lagos, Agege, Lagos State, Nigeria. Currently, Lagos State, Nigeria. Nationality, he's a British Nigerian. He's an African. He's a Muslim. He's straight. He has black hair, whatever the case may be. And he finished his school at Parkland Hall Wildwood School. Okay, of course, United Kingdom. He's a rapper, and that's it just about Naira Marley. And the third person, which is also the reason for this video as well, which is Sam Larry. I'm going to be doing a little bit of biography of Sam Larry. Sam Larry, which is popularly known as Samson Erufolami Balogun, which is popularly known as Sam Larry, is Nigerian show promoter, musician, businessman, associate of Nigerian singer Naira Marley. He was born on 7th of January 1980. In Lagos and hails from Lagos State, Nigeria. Sam Larry, a well-known personality on the popular social media platform Instagram, was born in Nigeria on January 7th, 1980. He is 43 years old. Growing in a bustling city of Lagos, Sam Larry hails from a Yoruba ethnic group and was raised in a household practicing Islamic faith under the guidance of his parents, referred to as Mr. and Mrs. Balogun, in absence of their public name. Unfortunately, no information about Sam Larry's siblings' education background as the case may be. Okay, this is the third person in this thing we're talking about, and the fourth person here, of course, is no other than the person which we must finally bring along in this topic. Is Mohbad's said wife. Okay, Mohbad's said wife, Wunmi Aloba, aka Mohbad's wife, is a Nigerian linguistic student, or whatever she is. She is mother of the late singer Mohbad's song. Okay, Wunmi is 24 years old, wife of Mohbad, aka Imole, the late Nigerian musician. She was born on 27th April 1999. She is 24 years old as at 2023. Mohbad's wife, Wunmi Aloba, celebrates her 25th birthday we celebrate her 25th birthday in 2024. Okay, Wunmi Aloba, whose full name is Cynthia Wunmi Aloba, is a Yoruba Christian by tribe. She hails from Lagos State, southwest part of Nigeria. She was born into a Christian family. To her parents, her father and mother are both still alive. She has other siblings and brothers, sisters whose names are unavailable. Wunmi Aloba got married to her boyfriend turned husband, Mohbad aka Imole, whose real name is Ilerioluwa Oladimeji Aloba, and they had a child together, a son called Liam. Okay, so this is about it. So this video is between Sam Larry, Mohbad, Naira Marley, and what is her name, and the wife Wunmi Aloba. Yes, guys, we all know about the whole issue about the bulletin on the internet, how the guy died. Of course, before he died, he was saying and everything. I was trying to say on the internet that he was being bullied by Naira Marley's record when he said he was no longer interested because he left their record in 2022. So after which he was still being bullied. So many videos has come up online where he was actually shooting a video and Sam Larry and his crew came in and camera went off. Of course, we didn't see Sam Larry beating him, but we know that he's about to be attacked. There are so many other videos that came online where he will put on a live video that see what that Sam Larry and his crew has sent people to beat him up in his house and he didn't do anything. This Sam Larry is said to be Naira Marley's best friend. Of course, they were all together. Okay, when he died, things started coming up. These videos that he was shouting, even the police report that he wrote that his life is being threatening, everything came up. In fact, the scene of this guy's death was so touching that I couldn't do this video at that particular moment, even though so many people were doing it to get views and everything, but my state of mind cannot allow me to do that video at that particular time. Okay, and all accusations were pointing at Naira Marley, which is the record label that he was in, and Sam Larry, which is best friend to Naira Marley. Everybody knows themselves. All points and accusations were going to them, though the Nigerian internet world said we don't have anything to hold against these two people because we didn't see them beating him. We only saw video and heard when he said they are bullying him, but we can't hold anything to it. Do you understand? That is how the law is, which is crazy. But Nigerians are also mad at this guy has written a statement even about, I think, 6 months ago before he died, that these guys are bullying him. And trust me, our Nigerian police didn't call these two people in for interrogation. Maybe if they had called them in for interrogation, they would have had a little bit of fear in them. If they have signed a statement against, if anything happens to this guy, I'll hold you guys accountable. Maybe they would have retrieved their voice to stop bullying this particular guy. But so many things on the internet went along. It was just a very coarse, painful, emotional period. Even the way the guy was buried, the way they bent his neck in the casket, so many things were just emotionally running during this time. Okay, mind you, when all these things were going on, Naira Marley was not in the country, which is the record label man himself, and Sam Larry ran away from the country because the youths were furious. Maybe they could have, murdered him that period, so he left the country for everything to ease down. Even so many evidences that passed online, including the voice note and the calls Sam Larry made to his friends saying that that one that happened now, no evidence, but still, trust me, in Nigerian system, justice is very difficult to be achieved. So we all know, or I know, that there's a chance that nothing will be done in this situation. And at this point, I am telling you that Naira Marley and Sam Larry has been called into police custody for questioning and all those things, and they are no longer there, and it's as if everything has died off and we're just waiting for God to intervene and give karma to them. And this brings me about his wife, which is this Wunmi. This wife is the wife of the youth. They stayed dating probably when they were 18 or 19, you know, all those baby boyfriend thing. At the end of the day, they got married. You can see that they're very young. He's 27 and this girl is 24, and they've been dating, you know, irrespective of the situation that Mohbad was at that moment. He doesn't have money. He was still a guy trying to fix himself. He was a carpenter. He was doing his thing before he even started being popular and having money. Okay, so the thing is that for me, they love themselves and they got married. And this brings me to about us always putting ourselves in prayer, always try to be closer to God, and praying for that, and praying that God gives you the perfect direction in your life. Because trust me, see, since this guy died, this lady has not had peace of mind. He has been accused of all sorts of things. He has been accused of dating the Naira record label man. He has been accused of being, they planned it together to kill him. He has been accused of so many things on internet. In this mental state of mind that this guy died, that's supposed to be mourning his husband, she has not had peace. She has been going into court, going in, coming out, going in, coming out, question here and there, question here and there. But for me, I just feel she didn't do anything. Boyfriend and girlfriend fight because they showed some things that shows that they usually fight. Yes, of course, boyfriend and girlfriend fights. What do you expect? Are you going to use it against her now because of the fight? So it's just a bit of emotional thing. Even the daddy, the father to the late Mohbad claimed that they don't give him anything. That one was just on the monetary part. Every speech that comes out of his mouth shows that he's trying to say that maybe that Mohbad did not put him as next of king, or in fact I don't know. I don't even know. He denied even not knowing that his son's head was bent. So many things around this, but it's just so painful how this woman is being carried around in this situation, up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down, and the people that actually caused this problem is somewhere resting. Though they interrogated the nurse that injected him because they said he was not okay, and they took him to the hospital and they gave him injection. After the injection, that this whole thing happened. They claimed that the injection was not so good to him. They have said so many things concerning this, but I don't know. I don't just know. I don't even know to say if the family of the late Mohbad were too careless and reluctant. I don't know if to say the girlfriend was careless and reluctant. I don't know. I'm able to know where to say they don't pray, or they don't go to church, or they don't ask. I don't even know the particular side or the particular angle to push this in particular, because it's good for us to cover ourselves with the blood of Jesus, to cover ourselves with prayer. Because things are supposed to be revealed. In fact, in the midst of this thing, there was an Instagram post and they posted in 2021 that just popped up from nowhere, where a fan of this late Mohbad said to him on comment section, "I saw you in my dream and I didn't like how you ended. I hope you don't die." Blah. This was in 2021, even before he died. You see, he must have read that comment and he like, maybe this one is seeking for notice. Maybe that's what he said. But when you have started getting to that point in life that you're still being popular, you still mixing around with, you're supposed to be protected by the blood of Jesus. If you don't know how to go to church, find somebody that can be praying for you, and God can be revealing things through the person to you. And mind you, in the midst of finding somebody to pray to you, that God can be revealing things through the person, you also have to live a good life so that God can also give a chance for that revelation to prevail on your head. You don't just sit down and fold your legs and just not believe in anything. You have to believe in something. All these politicians you're seeing that are up, they believed in something. In fact, I was surprised. I was watching Ebukobi's video and I saw that one politician was there, and Dioba, on Ebukobi's birthday. I said, you see, these ones will be serving two masters at the time. What I'm trying to say is that he was somewhere. You have to belong to somewhere. When you have gotten to this limelight like this, there are so many there's so many things around you. You just have to belong to somewhere. Now this guy is dead. After the whole fight and the whole controversies and the whole gender and everything, it's as if everything had died. Even the autopsy result we did not hear. We didn't hear anything again. Everything has been silenced. That's what I'm saying. Now that you are alive, how do you prepare yourself? How do you protect yourself? How do you shield yourself? Or you just there, you wake up, you sleep, you don't pray, you don't belong anywhere, you don't know what is happening, because you think you're carrying your life like this. You don't know that they prepared a table in the presence of my enemy. You don't know it's real. So guys, that is just what I came here to talk right now. I don't know, just the conclusion of this video is that if you're just somewhere, or you think you have attained to a particular position, just try as much as possible to shield yourself and to know where you belong. Protect yourself. Pray. Have people that pray for you. Live a good life so that things can also in return be reviewed for you, because all these things now has gone. The calls, the videos, even people that got angry and stopped following Naira Marley on Insta. I think he got from 7-point-something million to 6-point-something million, but now his subscribers are growing back again. Even his very best friend that came up and he's saying so many things, nobody is listening. Even the police conversation on how they're going to follow up on this case, everything is just mouth. Everything has gone. So that is just it, guys. I don't know, I'll just be stopping here in this video. I just want to just bring it up like this and say it like this. I don't know, it's life. Such is life. When you're alive, mind yourself, be mindful, protect yourself, pray, belong somewhere, so they can tell you what is coming after you. Not people like us that are not popular. We don't know anything. We're just inside. When you have become popular and you're dining with everybody, the devil is there also. So you have to be watchful. Now the wife is going up and down. Thank you guys for watching to the end of this video. If you've not subscribed, please try to do so. Give this video a thumbs up. And I'll see you in my next video. Do have a wonderful day. Bye.